Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, one thing I wanted to bring you, because I feel like I'm seeing this in several of these equity picks that have been coming up, are situations like Caterpillar. So you can see in Caterpillar that the trend that led us here from September lows up into, what is now up into 240, that's a very bullish move. So traders will look at this and say, I would like to try and participate in what has been consolidation and then seeing that resolve in that same trending bullish direction. All of that sounds and looks very good, but what you're running into right now, an S&P that's down 60 points, 100 points at the low today, can be tough to really see the breakout get going and really manifest. So what you might need to be waiting for is for the 50-day simple moving average to catch up, right? You notice how this 50-day moving average has a really great trajectory to it, right? Its angle of attack or its lower left into upper right is letting us know that there is a good trend going on here. But take that and compare it to what happened here in MCD, right? I think this is something that is a somewhat similar situation. Now, granted, it is below the 50-day now, but at the very least, waiting for that moving average to catch up will help you not be buying up here, because this is another spot where we've had a very good bullish trend, consolidation of that advance, but then it can't break out and keep going. It needs to come back to this 50-day, tag up, and then that's a spot where I think it's going to be a little bit easier to see those prices head higher, especially if we can start to get some help from the S&P. So one additional chart that fits this pattern as well is Lockheed Martin, and does a good job of emphasizing this way of thinking, right? I mean, to a certain degree, these charts almost look identical, but you have this really excellent advance. You have the consolidation of the move that led us higher. But, if you're trying to buy it back in these previous sessions because it's one of the best names, it's outperforming, it's really holding its own, well, that all makes good sense. But do you see again today? Look at that wick and look at where you come in, just shy of the 50-day. So if tomorrow was another significant down day for the S&P, I would look for Lockheed to go bid right about that 50-day moving average. And if you can get an entry around there, carry it up into 500, possibly up into 509, that's the trade to be looking for. So I hope that's helpful, gives you a way to look at these charts maybe with an extra degree of patience and see if we can get some of these bullish setups to play out for us into the beginning of 2023. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in one of the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.